Hello students, this is Dr. Henry and I'm your instructor for OAD 125 Word Processing. This particular quick tips video is geared toward Word Module 7. In Word Module 7 we're going to learn a lot of features that will help you to craft and construct a newsletter. Alright, so some of the quick tips that I wanted to call your attention to is that you're going to have a lot of training tutorial tasks that tell you how to do different things with word art. And so I'm not sure if you're familiar with word art, but in some respects it will act like a shape. If you've ever worked with a shape, sometimes it acts like a picture, sometimes it acts like a drawing figure, and then sometimes it acts like a picture. So there are several different aspects and features to word art that have all those different components to it. And so I'm not sure if you've looked in the Word Module 7 training tutorial yet, but there are several tasks that show different aspects of word art. So if you are new or not familiar with word art, what I want you to do is concentrate on the wording of each task, because each one is going to tell you what different thing you're doing, and then some of them may have similar wording, so you're going to have to pay close attention to that because each task is something different. So one example here is with task 2 and 3. It says change the text fill color for word art, and that is the filling that is inside of the word art. So when the letters are wide and big, there's a fill color inside of each component of the word art. But then in task 3 it says change the text outline color. So you could have two different colors. One would be the outline or the outer edge of the word art, and then the fill is the inside of each word. So little distinctions like that I want you to pay attention to while you're doing your training tutorials for Word Module 7. Alright, this is your instructor, Dr. Henry, and I thank you for taking the time to review our quick tips video. If you have questions, concerns, or comments later, you can always reach me via email. My email is shenry@lawsonstate.edu. Thanks for watching. Bye.